Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, Joe Morone.
Thank you, brother. Thank you very much. All right. Thank you all for coming. You know, there's three kinds of leaders in this room. There's the company leaders, and your job is to build your company, your market position, the organization, the product, hire the team, and make it all happen. And that's one type of leader. The second is the marketing and sales leader. And that person's job is to bring the processes, the marketing processes, lead generation, hire the sales team, and pull all that together. Good idea. And then the third leader is what we'll call the industry leader. Some people call that the salesperson. I call that the industry leader. That's the person that goes out into the industry that you're selling to and teaches your customers how to improve their business. That, too, is a leadership role, and that's why we've invited all levels of leaders here today. There's three components of leadership for 2020. Each year, we hold a seminar here because we really want to focus in on giving new information that we've learned all year through all of our research. So the things that I'll be talking to you about 2020 are the new leadership positions that you need to take with your teams going forward. So the first one is company positioning, and I mean internally and externally, and that has to come from the top. That has to come from the CEO. I'll get more into that. The second piece is around establishing a high-performance selling environment, right? What are the differences? How do you make it happen? What are some of the things that you'll be doing differently? How to work with our millennials, right? How to motivate the unmotivated. And the third piece is around mentoring and coaching, what to do day to day and the approaches. Does that make sense?